Hi guys, welcome to Pile's Kitchen. So, what we gonna make today for lunch? So today I'm making Ilish Mach or say Hilsa fish. So for this we need definitely Ilish Mach or Hilsa fish, and it has eggs around here as you can see this part, and we need onion seeds, kalonji, mustard seeds, turmeric, salt and green chilies, and this is mustard paste kind of, which I have made with these seeds by soaking these seeds for 30 minutes in warm water, and then I grinded it with pinch of turmeric and with pinch of salt and 2 green chilies. So in this recipe we are using 5 green chilies. So now I have added little bit of turmeric and little bit of salt, and I'll coat it well. So after coating the fish with turmeric and salt, my fish is looking like this. And in a side, I have heated the kadhai and have added mustard oil. So I am using this mustard oil, Fortune Kachigani pure mustard oil. Once the oil gets heated, you can see the vapors are coming. Now we will add the fish. See how hot the oil is. This is how we're gonna add it. And we will let it get fried. Now as you can hear this sizzling sound, I have flipped the fish so that other side can get fried. Make sure you're not frying Hilsa fish too much, else then you will end up having rubbery kind of a texture which we don't want. So just fry it like for 3 or 4 minutes, not more than that, and then we will take it out. So here are my fish. In the same oil, now I will add kalonji, three slit green chilies, and mix it well. Let the green chilies turn little bit whitish from the outside, then we will add the next ingredients. So now you can see my chilies have turned little bit whitish from the outside. At this moment, I'll add this mustard sauce that I have made. In description box, I will again add the recipe of this mustard sauce. It's very simple, trust me. At this point, lower the flame a bit. If you want, you can add little bit of turmeric too. I am adding it. If you don't want, you can skip this part. And we are adding no other masalas or spices into it because it's going to be tasty in its own way. Now, salt to taste. Make sure that you have fried the fish with salt, so the oil contains little bit of that salt as well. So be skeptical while putting the salt. Now in this I will add little bit of warm water for the curry. Mix it. and we'll wait for one boil. See, the curry starts to boil. Now in this part I will add the fish. And we'll cover it with a lid. So now it's time to remove the lid after 5 minutes, and then we will see how the fish is looking. Oh, that's amazing. See, the consistency of the curry over here is not too runny and is not too thick. So you have to maintain this consistency for a perfect taste. Here is my fish. I have served it. Please do try it. And for my taste bud, I'll add little bit of raw sarson oil or say mustard oil into this. It will give that little bit of strong odor of mustard and hint of mustard. So here we go. It's a very simple dish and very appetizing. So please do try it and let me know how did you find it. So please do like, share and subscribe if you like this recipe.